Have you ever wanted to try painting fabric? I've had many people ask me about this, and so I had this little stool that I got for $5 at a thrift shop. It was just fabric and had some plastic legs on it that looked like wood. So I sprayed it with the fine mister, covering the whole piece with a mist of just water and not soaking it too much, but enough that the paint would soak into it as I painted it. I'm using Avery color by DIY Paint, and it is a clay-based paint, highly pigmented and perfect for this project. And the multitasker brush is another great tool for this project as well. Once the top was dry, I got to painting the legs. DIY Paint works great on many different surfaces, and again, like I said, these are plastic legs, and it went right on very well. I didn't use water on this as much. There might have been a little bit left over from spraying the top, but I just painted them with the first coat and let it dry, and then did the second coat. In this video, you'll only see me do the first coat. Once I finished the first coat on the legs, I did do a second coat. The fabric only really needed one coat for the most part. When I'm doing a chair or something that I'm going to be using more, I probably would do 2 coats on the fabric. Then I added this top coat by Paint Couture Extreme Guard in the matte finish, and then the project was done. I loved the way it turned out, but I wanted to really just show you how you can paint fabric with DIY paint. You can find all these paints at forthenestwithkimrowe.com or at my local shop in Chester County at the Iron Bird. If you have any questions, please message me. Thanks and happy creating.